Hey, it's Anna from the For Real YouTube channel. I know why you're here. You want to remove a blacklisted IMEI or bad ESN from your device. Before diving into sketchy services promising quick fixes, hold on. I've got a safer, free method that works for both Apple and Android devices. Let's get into it. Please note that this information is for responsible use only. It's intended for those who own their devices but may have forgotten access details. We do not support illegal activities, including bypassing security on stolen devices, and we encourage you to respect the law and others' rights. This video complies with YouTube's guidelines and community standards. Now that we've covered that, let's move on. There are several services available for IMEI Blacklist removal. Unlock Here's AI-powered unlocking web app is a top choice, free, fast, and always updated. Another option is Safe Unlocks, a trusted service that costs just $1. For those specializing in IMEI blacklist issues, ESN Doctor offers reliable solutions. To use Unlock Here's AI unlocking assistant, visit unlockhere.com from any browser, select Fix IMEI Blacklist, and follow the prompts. You'll need to choose your device's brand, enter your IMEI or serial number to find your IMEI dial, star #06# on your phone. Provide your name and email. After agreeing to the terms, you'll receive unlock instructions within 15 minutes. Be sure to check your spam or promotions folder. Once you get the code, press Confirm IMEI Unlock, complete the CAPTCHA, and hit Validate Info and start unlock. Nifty, the AI assistant, will handle the rest. And that's it. Nifty, the AI-powered tool, does the heavy lifting from here. The final step is to simply insert a compatible SIM card and restart your device. This process is just a few steps, and before you know it, you'll have successfully removed the blacklist IMEI from your device using unlockhere.com. Unlock services are region-specific, so if they're unavailable where you are, don't worry. You can enter our weekly unlock giveaway. Just like this video, subscribe to the channel and comment your device model, IMEI number, and country to participate. There are also other ways to remove an IMEI blacklist. Contacting your carrier directly can provide solutions or clarify policies. It's also a good idea to regularly check your IMEI status online since blacklists sometimes change. If your device was mistakenly blacklisted and the carrier can't help, consulting a legal expert may be an option, though this should be a last resort due to potential costs and time. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful or have questions, feel free to drop a comment below. Don't forget about our weekly giveaway. Just like, subscribe, and comment to enter. Stay tuned for more tips and updates, and I'll see you in the next video.